Welcome back to Luxury Drive, where we bring you the best in premium rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular full-size pickup trucks in the market, the Ram 1500 Bighorn. If you're looking for power, comfort, and technology in a truck, this one is for you. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and pricing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Exterior design, bold and stylish. The Ram 1500 Bighorn stands out with its rugged yet stylish design. It features a bold front grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular body that commands attention on the road. The 18-inch aluminum wheels give it a premium look, while the available chrome package adds extra shine. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the off-road trails, the Bighorn turns heads everywhere. Powerful engine options. Under the hood, the Ram 1500 Bighorn offers multiple engine choices. 3.6L Pentastar V6 with 305 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque, paired with e-torque for better fuel efficiency. 5.7L Hemi V8 with 395 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, delivering an aggressive performance. Optional 5.7L Hemi V8 with e-torque, adding an electric boost for improved fuel economy and towing capacity. No matter which engine you choose, the 8-speed automatic transmission ensures a smooth and responsive drive. Plus, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds, this truck is ready to handle tough jobs. Interior, comfort meets technology. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and tech-packed cabin. The Bighorn offers premium cloth seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and available power-adjustable driver's seat for extra comfort. Tech lovers will enjoy the Uconnect 5 infotainment system, featuring 8.4-inch or optional 12-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, voice command and Bluetooth connectivity. The rear seats are spacious and reclining, making long drives more comfortable for passengers. Plus, with plenty of storage compartments, you can keep your essentials organized. Safety features, drive with confidence. Ram doesn't compromise on safety. The Bighorn comes equipped with advanced safety features, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic braking. These features make every drive safer, whether you're on the highway or maneuvering through busy city streets. Fuel economy, efficiency meets power. Fuel efficiency is a key factor, and the Ram 1500 Bighorn performs well in this area. V6 engine, up to 20 mpg city/25 mpg highway. V8 engine, up to 15 mpg city/22 mpg highway. V8 with e-torque, slightly better efficiency with added electric assist. For a full-size pickup, these numbers are quite impressive. Price: how much does it cost? The Ram 1500 Bighorn offers a great balance of features and affordability. Pricing starts at around $45,000 for the base model, while higher trims with additional features can go up to $60,000 plus. Keep in mind that optional packages like the Bighorn Level 2 Equipment Group or 4x4 Off-Road Package can add to the cost. So, what do you think of the Ram 1500 Bighorn? Is it the perfect truck for you? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Luxury Drive, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride. Drive safe.